Today, let me show you how to make a very delicious snack everyone can't resist. So yummy! Sausage Veggie Buns. Get your semolina, sausage, onions, spring onions, green pepper, red pepper, carrot, garlic, mixed spices, salt, baking powder, butter, and vegetable oil. In a bowl, pour semolina, add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix together and gently add warm water. Keep mixing. You can add more semolina, but don't make it hard. You need a very soft consistency for this, but not too soft too. Then add a half teaspoon of butter. Mix and allow it to rest. Fry your sausage and chop it with all your veggies together. Semolina, and grate your onions. You don't really need to stir fry your veggies, but if you like, please go ahead. Mix all the veggies and sausage together with your spices, bouillon cubes, garlic, and your filling is ready. Heat up your oil and it's time to fry your sausage buns. Don't make your oil too hot because you'll be filling your buns and frying simultaneously. Add a bit of semolina into your pan. Take a bit of the semolina, let it be a bit flat, then add your sausage veggie fillings, pinch and cover. You don't have to make it totally round. Drop it into your hot oil and repeat till you are done frying. Let it be golden brown and don't overcrowd your oil to make it easy to flip when frying and get an even frying. Just look at this, so good. And there you have it, yummy sausage veggie buns, ready for you to enjoy. You can have it just like this or with any dip of your choice. It's brown outside and very soft inside with delicious sausage veggies. When I last made this snack, everyone asked for more till there was no single one left. Please recreate yours and thank me later. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites. Thank you.